I'm Julius Dole, Program Director at Science Plus Liberia Incorporated, here in Liberia, West Africa. Standing before me is one of Liberia's youngest, brilliant biology, Francis Ivy Johnson, CEO of Science Plus Liberia Incorporated, and who God has inspired to promote STEM education here in Africa. As a poor teacher, he don't have the money to send these wonderful kids to university of their choice. Inspired by the work that we are doing here in West Africa, we are currently asking this noble congregation there in the United States of America to be inspired by the grace of God to financially extend help to each child here in Liberia, West Africa, whom voices you'll be hearing.
God loves a cheerful giver.